PSBD security guard jobs. Yes friends, Transguard group is hiring PSBD security guard jobs. If you are available in UAE and you have PSBD license, this is a golden opportunity for you people who are looking for a PSBD security guard job. In this video, I will tell you everything as because Transguard group is hiring and they are organizing an walk-in interview open day for every people who are looking for PSBD security guard job. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. As you can check, it says hiring PSBD security guard, must be a PSBD license holder. Okay, interviews are walk-in and it is happening on Sunday 1st of February 8 AM to 1 PM and the location is Metropolitan Al Mafraq Hotel, Abu Dhabi. And here is the official website. I will show you the website also. Okay, so if you come to the website, it shows like this. As you can check, it is the official website of Transguard Group LLC and Abu Dhabi Open Day. We are always on the lookout for the best talent. If we come little down, it says bring your CV as because walk-in interviews are happening. The location as mentioned, Abu Dhabi Open Day, Sunday 1st February to 8 AM to 1 PM, Metropolitan Al Mafraq Hotel, Abu Dhabi. And what are the recruitments happening? Recruitments are PSBD custodians, PSBD drivers, PSBD security guards, limousine drivers and heavy bus drivers. Okay, so friends, this is the recruitment of PSBD security guard that is happening for the company Transguard Group LLC. If you are available in UAE and you are holding the PSBD license, this is a very good opportunity for you if you want to apply for Transguard Group company. I have been working here for 3 years and it is very good. So don't miss the chance. Sunday 1st February 8 AM to 1 PM, Metropolitan Al Mafraq Hotel, Abu Dhabi. I will leave all the links in the description. You can just visit there, and the location it is mentioned here. I will leave the location link also. So Sunday 1st of February 8 AM to 1 PM. Do not forget to visit. Walk-in interviews happening for PSBD security guards. I hope you give your best and you get the opportunity to work as a PSBD security guard in Transguard. Thank you for watching the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.